Hi everyone, I'm Andre Rink, Regional Manager for Evolution AV. And today we are delighted to be here at BC Financial Services Authority, showcasing our latest installation of cutting-edge hybrid meeting systems. Let's start with the Cypress Room, the largest of the meeting spaces. In this room, we have implemented a state-of-the-art solution featuring two AVER auto-tracking PTZ cameras. These cameras can automatically adjust and fit all meeting participants within the frame or track an individual presenter throughout the room, ensuring everyone stays engaged. Moving on to the audio setup, we have installed a Televit Confidia wireless conferencing system. Each microphone base station is equipped with a 5.2-inch touchscreen, providing users with convenient options like request to speak. As the microphone bases are wireless, we can easily customize the number of microphones required for each meeting or hearing. Additionally, beamforming microphones have been strategically placed in the ceiling to enhance audio pickup for impromptu discussions. To cater to guest presenters, we have incorporated a wireless presentation system specifically designed for Teams rooms. Using the immersive Salsa system, our guests can effortlessly share content from their personal computers to the room displays and web meetings. This solution also allows them to record the shared screen using Microsoft Teams, ensuring a seamless experience while avoiding any audio issues that may arise from additional devices joining the meeting. Our commitment to excellence extends to all the other meeting spaces as well. The interview room, for instance, has been thoughtfully configured to function as a versatile huddle room when needed. A video bar has been strategically placed near the display, allowing for effective collaboration in a smaller setting. Furthermore, all the rooms are equipped with integrated control systems, enabling effortlessly power management for all the AV equipment. With just one button push on the conveniently located wall panels, effortlessly turn on or off the entire system.
I think the new AV equipment in our boardrooms has been fantastic. We've received a lot of positive feedback from our users. A lot of the users have expressed that they've been really excited about the dual camera system, as well as the new screen sharing abilities. It's been a privilege working with Evolution AV. We are, from the moment that we got started to completion, we felt like we were in great hands, and we look forward to building more rooms.
A big thank you to the BC Financial Services Authority for giving us the opportunity to showcase the finished product. We are proud of the work we've done and the impact it will have on your meetings and hearings. For more information on our boardroom AV systems or any other commercial AV needs, please visit us at evolutionav.ca.